What's up TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today we are here at the Fale Samoa yet again. We are having Kogai at my parents' house. We've got my brother who is down with his wife from Brisbane, and we are just going to have Kogai together, fellowship with one another, and yeah, so we're trying to make this a ritual where we have Sunday Kogai, and we will post it every single Sunday. So if you think this idea is cool, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below what you want us to do on a Sunday Kogai.
Or what kind of food you want to see at the table. We could possibly whip it up just for you.
Just for you. So we're gonna go inside. It's really packed here. Like everyone is here at the Kiwi Pacific store down in Laverton. Down in Laverton. Bro, I can never say this name. Anyways, so we're gonna go inside. Hopefully they have enough food for us to buy so we can take for our Kogai. Let's go. Okay guys, so how good does my cousin look? And she just gave birth. Okay, we're gonna meet her. Oh my goodness. Hi Chelsea. Hi Tia. Oh my gosh, she's so tiny, sis.
I know.
Look.
Yeah, she's like
hi baby. I would kiss you, but COVID-19.
Have a blessed week. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, we just got here to Mum and Dad's house. Lani! Say hi, everyone. No, come. We're going in. Hi, Dad.
How are you?
Good. Hi, Meow. Wow. Sup?
Show the tin.
Oh, hey, sister. That's all I have. Oh, the TNs. No, this is what we mean about people.
Hey,
you know yourself. The sis here, you know, being the youngest, is it hard, sis? Sis, is it hard?
Huh?
Is it hard being the youngest?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Chris, she does all of our cleaning. She sets the table. Whawhiwela's the mea ai, that's her job. You know, we've already experienced that life. So it's her time to shine. How was your sleep last night?
It was really good. Thank you so much.
Today you're doing the local for...
Confident. I learned it.
You learned it at home, eh? Doing the local today. Okay, we're going to try and review this salmon okra that we got from the Kiwi Pacific store. Shout out to the owner, she actually gave us this to review and I'm just excited to try it. Her husband Junior made it, so we really hope we enjoy it because she wants us to be really honest. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Fire. Salmon's good.
Okay, bye Junior. Wash your hands.
What do you rate it? Wait, what do you rate it?
10, actual 10.
I rate it 9. 9. Only because I'm not a hooker kind of person. That's still good score. Thank you to the Kiwi Pacific store for giving us half of our food here.
Samoan,